We have come back with full force. The weather will not deter us today.
Hi and welcome back. We're an Aussie family of 4. I'm Lily and this is my mum Cara, dad Alex and my sister Paris. Join us on the journey.
Alright, we have come back to DisneySea for part 2. We have 2.5 hours until the park closes. Let's see how many rides we can achieve tonight. Let's go! Alright, we are entering for the second time through the beautiful archways advertising the new Fantasy Springs. We went there and did that this morning, so check out our last episode to see how Fantasy Springs went. Line up for Soaring is 50 minutes at the moment. I reckon we can do better than 50 minutes later tonight. So let's come back to this one. Okay, so we're coming in under the volcano. This is where the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea ride is. And then Journey to the Center of the Earth I think is down at the moment. So we've got to keep an eye out for Journey to the Center of the Earth because when that comes back online the lineup will be really short. Exciting. It does. This is ride number 1, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea with a 5-minute lineup time. Big spiral to walk down. Big spiral. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Oh, is that what she was saying?
What's she saying?
Right, we've got into our little cabin. There's all 4 of us.
まもなく警戒信号です。よろしい。ゆっくりと浮上させろ。船長、潜水艇防御装置が作動しました。このままでは潜水艇が危険です。何かに襲われているに違いない。戻りました。諸君、よくぞ無事に帰還した。しかし海には。
Sounds like the volcano is about to explode. We're getting a lot of rumbles. Steam is building. There it goes. Whoa! Hot, hot lava. Whoa! This is definitely an unstable area. I hope we make it out. Looks like it. Oh, is it still closed? Oh, maybe not. Might be open. What's our ride time like? Oh, looks like people are just lining up to go in. Ride number 2, Journey to the Center of the Earth. There they are. The ride's just opened up again, and so they're quite at the front of the line, so it shouldn't be long. There they go. Just sitting here and everyone's just worked out that the ride's now open, and there's this massive rush of people all coming for the ride. It was 10 when we got here, and there's just seeing this continuous flood of people lining up. Went to 15, now it's at 20, and they just keep coming. Everyone's heard the ride's back open, and it just continues all the way down, and then it goes into the tunnel, but it's all the way behind me as well, way down there, and then they come up and through here. That was really fun. We went in like a little buggy and it went through a slow ride looking at all the rocks and crystals underneath the ground, and then we wound up, went to the top of the volcano and then just descended down the volcano. I wouldn't call it a roller coaster, but it was a fast drop down. Very short ride, short and sharp, but it was good.
Very fast at the last minute.
Okay, what's next? We're gonna head to Soaring. It is a 30-minute lineup, and then we have Believe, which is a bit of a spectacular show out in the middle of the water here, starting at 7:30, and it's currently 6:45. So in 45 minutes, we're hoping to get on and off of Soaring, and then jump back out here to watch the show. Last call for black pepper popcorn. Last call. This is ride 3. It's Soaring, and it was a 30-minute wait.
そうね。ここにいる皆さんは。
There you go, that was Soaring. Now we have 2 minutes to get out to watch this show. Let's do it! Alright, 7:30 on the dot. Here we go.
It's time to believe again.
Well, there you go. That was the Believe Spectacular. Woo! We are on Turbo Express, as with everyone else who is here to seize the evening and get on some extra rides. All right, we're gonna go. Oh, the train's going overhead. We're gonna go on these little aqua boats. Let's go, line up. Ah, look how cute they are. This looks so fun. All right, we're at Aquatopia, ride 4, with a wait time of 4 people. 0 minutes. I've got my backpack over the handrail. All right, we're ready to go. Woo! Oh no, oh no! Water, water, water! Oh look, there's a whirlpool! Oh, okay. Oh, we're all going in. I think we're parking up. When you think it's over, you start doing 360s again. Yeah, I think we're over. Whoa, whoa! That was fun. This is Aquatopia. Oh, here comes Mum and... Oh! 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 There's Mum. Oh! What is this? Ooh! Oh, that was fun. Oh! 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 Alright, there's the little buggy pulling up. Mum and Dad are hopping out. Oh. Woo! That made us feel woozy. That was fun.
Spins very fast.
How was that like ending where you go like accelerate, pause, accelerate, pause? Must be like a little sensor because they like nyeh, nyeh. Ride number 5 is the train. All right, we're on the train. This is ride number 5. with a wait time of 5 minutes. Ride 6, we've chosen Toy Story Mania. So we're gonna head under this little beautiful, what do you call these, rotundas? There you go. I'm struggling to find my words tonight. The magic is just too much for me to handle.
Whoa! Toy Story Mania, look at it. Wow, the line's gone down a lot.
Yeah, that was full.
Wow, what an area, look at this.
Toy Story Mania, ride number 6. Total wait time, 25 minutes. The lineup is so cool in here. We feel like a little toy. For this ride, you collect your glasses as usual. Pick up those 3D glasses here. Got my fun glasses on. Right, competition's on! Whoa, so good. Woo! Best in vehicle! Woo! Oh, wow. We've got Mum and Paris walking through the shop. They're about to exit. Alright, let's go greet them on the other side. Here they are. Here they are. And boom, there they are.
Didn't buy anything. I thought we'll just wait till tomorrow so we're not in a rush.
True. Take it all in. And we are exiting for the night. Bye. Thank you. Okay, out we go. Alright, we've made it back to the Ambassadors Hotel. What a beautiful day at DisneySea. Full of rain, full of cloud, but it did not
Lots of rain.
But it did not kill the magic. It was still a fun, full, packed of action day. Dad's just spotted the green telephones. Do you know what you say when you answer the phone in Japanese, Dad? Do you know what to say when you answer a phone in Japanese?
No, please educate me.
Moshi moshi.
Moshi moshi.
So you'll pick up a phone and then you'll say moshi moshi.
Thank you for that.
Well, there you go. What an action-packed day at DisneySea. That was super fun, even though it was rainy and a little bit cloudy, very cloudy and rainy. We had a really superb day. We even got to wear these ponchos. Bit of a highlight, actually, wearing the poncho.
Just warm.
Poncho's what saved the second half of the day.
Yeah, it was fun. Here's to team Catch on the Roundabout. 1, 2, 3. Catch on the Roundabout.